if you're not gonna find answers to these three questions, then count yourself out being a successful person. So today I'm going to tell you the three questions that you need to answer if you want to gain financial freedom or if you want to be a successful person. The first question, who are you? You see, most of us are suffering in this world. Some people are living, some people are existing. Why? Because if you want to live, then you have to know who you are. Are you the person from that poor house that your mom and dad suffered before paying your school fees? That your mom, your dad suffered before they put that meal on the table for you and your siblings to eat? Now, who are you? If you are from a rich house, if you are from a poor house, identifying yourself gonna help you move to the next question that I'm about to tell you. So if you want to gain financial freedom, know who you are. Period. Now that you know who you are, the next question is, whom do you want to be? You see, if you know who you are and you know whom you want to be in the next coming 20 years, the next coming 10 years, the next future, you know whom you want to be, then I tell you, you're gonna stay to your plan. If you know where you are going, I mean, you know whom you want to be, your dream is to become the next best singer, the next best scientist, the next doctor, I mean, or the next rich person in your family. You're not gonna waste your time because you know where you are projecting your future to. Anybody who got map to his or her destination, this person not gonna lost on their way. All right, so whom do you want to be? Knowing the answer to this particular question can give you a breakthrough. You know whom you want to be. Maybe your dream is to become like our sister Nana Mohammed Brown. Your dream is to become, if you were an underground, you want to become the next best rapper. I mean, like Sarkodie, Shatawale, think of Stonebwoy. You know the exact artist that you want your future to be like. Then you're not gonna waste your time being on the pitch. All right, you always be in the studio. Any of the stars that you want to be like them, their breakthrough came as a result of staying focused. To succeed in life is to stay focused. All right, if you are born to kill and defeat the elephant, I don't think you'll be wasting your tools on the rat. What the rat needs is to just get a trap, put a bait on it, hide it at a particular point, and this rat gonna come and kill itself for you. You're not gonna waste your time because you are born to kill the elephant. Now that you know whom you wanna be, the third question, what are you doing about it now? All right, you know where you are coming from. I mean, you know yourself. I'm the guy from the poor house, I'm the lady from the poor house. My mom, my dad suffered before they paid our school fees. My mom and dad suffered before they gave us food. We are living in uncompleted buildings, and my dream is to become a doctor, the next teacher in our family, the next politician. Think of anything that you want to achieve in future. What are you doing about it now? You see, every step that you take in a day gonna move you towards your dream or gonna move you backwards to your dream. Just put this in your mind. All right, so what are you doing about it now? If you want to become the best footballer in the world, then I don't think being at the studio will help you. If you want to become the next medical doctor, then I don't think being on the pitch will help you. So what are you doing right now? All right, start something that's gonna push you to your future. And you're gonna tell me I don't have anything, I'm waiting, I'm doing this, I'm doing blah blah blah, then. Listen, always start with what you have. So get the answers to these three particular questions, and I tell you, you know whom you are, you know whom you want to be, and you work towards that dream. Bro, sis, mom, dad, you're gonna achieve that. The name is Mr. Speezy. If you wanna listen to a longer portion of this video, then I will encourage you to go to YouTube and search Mr. Speezy, how to invest into real estate without you owning physical property. Yes, you can invest into stocks, make money online, be in your room and be making money. Visit my channel on YouTube, Mr. Speezy, and learn from me. You can call me the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. See you in the next video. Until then, hand to head, salute.